Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on Ebony Nice YouTube channel here with another wig review. And today we got another Jenna collection wig, and it is the Melt Transparent Natural Hairline with 13x6 frontal part. And yeah, this is the style Kinky wig in 28 inches. Of course, if it will zoom in, there you go. In the color 1, so it's black, of course. Very natural. It's giving very, I just got my hair blown out and I've been natural for 20 years. This was a cute, okay? It's really cute. The texture is really nice. It's a little bigger now because I've been playing with it. I was trying to do some styles with it, but it wasn't really working because the hair is super thick. So we just opt for a side part, and the side part is still giving. It does say HD lace. Well, it says transparent, you know, but on camera it doesn't look bad. The lace does blend in pretty decent. It's okay. Just the knots is a little big. So from afar it looks really good. Up close, I don't know, don't really care for it that much, but it's still cute nonetheless. It's synthetic, so I don't like, when it comes to the knots, I don't really care too much. Like, it's a synthetic wig, but it's cute. It's still giving natural. Like, I love the body. It's very thick. I'm extra when it comes to the baby hairs. It did come with baby hairs, everything with it. It says that it has an adjustable elastic wig band, but this unit, that I didn't see it. I don't know if this wig is a default wig, but I did not see that one in this one, but it does say it has it, so that's good because then it gives you extra security. But this wig is big head friendly. It does fit my head pretty okay. It could be tighter. It's not bad though. Pre-plucked, pre-customized, natural hairline, cute. I would probably pluck it a little bit more just for me because I want it to look even more natural, but it's still cute. It's very full. It comes in a lot of other colors. Very simple, straight to the point. I really didn't do too much with this wig. Like, I would say this wig is very beginner friendly too. Like, even though it's a 13x6, like, it's natural. Like, you can throw it on. Once you glue it down, you don't gotta do too much. Do little simple baby hairs. It's cute, ready to go. I like it. It's giving. I probably wouldn't wear this hair in the summertime though, or if it's too hot. Like springtime, yeah, but when it's too hot, because like I said, it's very thick. You go get hot, and yeah, this is, I ain't trying to be too hot, but it's cute. I really like it. I like this wig, and if you like this wig too, make sure you click that link down below to purchase, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.